Warning, the following video contains strong language, which may be offensive to some viewers and inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only, meaning if you're a cupcake or can't handle a strong opinion from Dobo, get the fuck out of here.
Coffee just tastes better out of a Build a Drone Reviewer cup. Today we're talking about the Autel Light and Nano debacle with this release. This release has been a complete shit show, and as an Autel fan, I find this completely unacceptable, but not shocking, and that is a problem. Let's get started. What's going on, everybody? Ken here. You're watching OriginaldoBo, and if this is your first time stumbling across my channel, so I do sort of opinion pieces when it comes to drones, and I talk about drone and tech just in general. We do tutorials, vlogs. We basically do everything, and we throw the kitchen sink at it all. I don't know why we're throwing sinks. But today, I want to talk about this Autel Nano and the Light debacle, because something that you may not be aware of, but some of you may be aware of, is that I am a part owner in DroneWorks, and I have to answer and respond to a shit ton of messages and questions in regards to people's orders. And one of the things I get most commonly asked about is, when is the Autel Nano and the Light shipping, and can I guarantee ship dates? And unfortunately, we can't guarantee anything because Autel has been so wishy-washy with their shipping times and delivery. It's made our jobs incredibly difficult. Now, one of the things I am so sorry that we ever did was take pre-orders for it when every other dealer started taking pre-orders. If we never did that, I would never get any questions on these damn drones whatsoever. And it's mostly Autel's fault because they made it seem like these drones were going to be here in October. October came and went, and we never got our drones. Let me tell you how fucked up this situation is. I'm dealing with another vendor out of China that is trying to fast track units into our hands. We're literally having to go around Autel themselves for a delivery date because they just can't get their shit together. Furthermore, you have a company like B&H Photo that just put out a massive scare telling people that this product has then been discontinued. And a lot of people order from B&H because they're so widely regarded and they're such a large scale company that a lot of people were genuinely concerned that this drone was basically canceled. Now, it's not been canceled. However, the SKU, the product line number, has changed. And some reason the way B&H's system is designed is that when that SKU is changed, it sends out a cancellation. Now, what this did was it basically made it to where people were getting refunds for the product and their deposits back, and it sort of knocks them out of their place in line. Now, we decided just to change the SKU on the back end because ultimately the product line is going to be the same, so there was no reason to cancel anybody's orders. But I have pressed Autel numerous times about confirmed delivery dates and how this is unfair as a dealer, that we need to know. We need to know because we're being asked, and if we can't provide substantial information to somebody, they may go somewhere else and order in fear that we can't deliver the product on time. And unfortunately, it's everyone. It's everywhere. This is wider spread. This is a problem with Autel in general, is where they announce something and then it takes 6 to 7 months for them to bring that product out. And even in those 6 to 7 months with their product being out, it's still not right. It still has issues, and they still have to put update after update out. Now, people were bitching quite heavily about the Mavic 3 being incomplete, but I'll tell you, even with the Mavic 3 being as incomplete and as expensive as it was still better than any other manufacturer's drone when they first launched it. It was still more complete than the most complete product line from X Dynamics or Autel, and that is fucking sad. And you as a consumer should stop making that okay for companies to use us as beta testers when we're paying full price for a product. That's got to stop. So I will just say this, that this Nano and this Light better be amazing. It better be so amazing that as I'm flying it and I'm getting ready to put it in the bag, it provides me with a happy ending. That's how amazing this product should be. And I don't care if it costs $1,000. I don't care if it costs $500. It better be fucking amazing, because you, Autel, have had a shit ton of time to get this right. And us as consumers that buy your products are getting a little tired of you announcing things and making a statement like nanosecond and then waiting 5 months before you say, hey, this product's going to ship. Now I get it. You're a manufacturer and you don't owe the consumers anything. But as consumers, we're the ones that pay your bills when we buy your products. And eventually, people are going to get fucking tired of it. Stay original.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power.